Bangkok is one of the best cities in the world to stay at an upscale hotel, and on our recent trip back to Bangkok, we were kindly gifted a stay in the Avani Riverside Hotel to show you what you can expect from a 5-star hotel in Bangkok. If you're new to our channel, we're Sarah and Callum, a married couple that's been travelling the world for over a year. Staying in 5-star hotels is not usually the way we do things, but this was an experience that we won't forget. So let's jump straight into this hotel tour.
Alright guys, we're at the Avani Riverside Hotel and we're just about to check out our room. Big room reveal.
You ready for this?
Okay, so, oh my god.
What is that?
Welcome to Avani, it's time to dine and dance.
Wow.
Is that a cocktail bar?
I think so.
Oh my word. Oh, Haribo's, M&M's.
I think that might be the mini bar.
Ooh, what have we got in there? Okay, let's show you around the rest of the room. So this has got to be one of the best views that you can get from a hotel in Bangkok. I mean, we've not stayed in many hotels in Bangkok, but this view is crazy. Look at this. And I'm pretty sure that there's a building just over there, and I recognize the roof. I'm sure it's the building from Hangover, so even cooler. But let's give you a full tour around. So there's our bed with a big welcome sign on it. It's got an inflatable unicorn as well, so that's always a bonus.
I don't know why they've done that, but it's so cute.
So this might just be the best part of the room. It's got a bathtub with a view.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
And another unicorn as well. So this guy's holding a bath bomb. I think you have to pay for the bath bomb. So.
Yeah, but that is absolutely amazing. Have you ever seen a bath with such a good view? Right out onto the river. Nice.
So this has got to be one of the best hotels that you can stay in Bangkok.
Yeah.
It's incredible. I don't see how you're getting much better than this. I mean, there's probably loads of hotels in Bangkok, but yeah, we've already decided this has got to be one of the best.
Yeah, I mean, have you seen the view out of the window there? Like, it's like absolutely beautiful, like right over the river. It's like panoramic. Wow, like
Yeah.
It's so cool here.
You just don't get views like that in normal hotels.
No.
You've got basically, like, our view is you've got a view of the city, and then you've also got a view of the river at the side. So I think some of the rooms in maybe other hotels, and maybe even this hotel, they just view the river. But what we love about this hotel, you've got a view over the city and the river at the same time.
We've also got a Rivercruise booked in for tomorrow morning, which we're super excited about.
So tomorrow we'll give you a full breakdown of what the Rivercruise has to offer. We're basically having a weekend of luxury. That's the plan. We're having a weekend of luxury and we're living it up in Bangkok. After taking in this incredible junior suite room at the Avani Riverside Hotel, it was time to check out the rooftop pool before heading to dinner at the hotel's exclusive restaurant. As we expected, the rooftop was just as impressive as our room and the views over Bangkok were amazing. However, we'd been invited to have a meal at the rooftop restaurant, so we decided to leave having a dip for the morning and get ready for our meal. We're ready. So we've just got all dressed up in our nicest clothes that we've been travelling in for the past year and a half. So this is what we could put together.
This is the best that we could rustle up.
Yeah, short notice. We didn't know whether for this nice meal you had to wear like long trousers.
I think you
But I'm going to go with the short option because it's hot weather, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we are about to head out and go and get some food at, apparently it's a celebrity designed menu restaurant.
Looks very nice, very snazzy.
Very posh. So we'll see what that's all about. We'll take you along with us. We won't be talking, we'll just be eating. So we'll show you the food.
We'll be too busy enjoying the food, I think.
This is such a good view. Actually doesn't feel real right now.
No.
Oh my word. There's nobody else here as well, it's just us.
We've got the pool to ourselves, haven't we? Look.
Yeah, look. See? 6 a.m. in the morning and there's nobody else here.
With the most beautiful view.
I know, this is absolutely incredible. Wow. Look at this. Do that again. Yep, go. What on earth is that? It's like a flying salmon.
This is so exciting, jump.
I don't think I've ever seen you like this at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Woken up a bit more now.
Yeah. Well, we need to wake up because what have we got today?
We're going on a cruise down the river.
Yeah. We already thought we was like, oh, 7:30. Ugh, we have to get up for that cruise, but we decided to get up at 5:30 instead. To come for a swim.
Let's make it a little earlier.
Oh yeah. We might as well because, I mean, I'm so glad we did. Look at that.
I know, me too.
Yeah, that was the best decision we've ever made. Bangkok, you are incredible.
So we're back from the cruise. That was actually really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, really, really good.
So we left at about 8 o'clock this morning, and before we left, they came over and gave us like a welcome drink and one of them towel things that you wipe your face or your hands with. We're not very posh, so we don't know, but they smell really nice. So we left about 8 o'clock, and I'm not joking you, we ate so much food.
I've never eaten so much in my life, I don't think. You know.
We were both stuffed.
Yeah, I mean, it was incredible. Like, we got served so much nice food, didn't we?
Yeah, we got, so to start with, they gave us like a whole meat and cheese platter type thing.
Yeah.
And then they said, do you want juice and coffee? So we're like, yeah. And then they brought Prosecco over.
Prosecco, yeah.
So we had like 3 or 4, and water. So we had like 4 drinks per person.
Yep.
And then we had the platter of like cheese and ham and stuff. And then they brought over pastries that we could choose from. So they had loads of different pastries. So we're like, oh wow, this is amazing. But then they brought out more.
Yeah.
They brought, what was it?
We had like eggs Benedict on on a croissant, and it had salmon and avocado.
Really good.
That was really, really good, and that was like all like just sort of as we were sailing down the river, which was absolutely amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, and then along the way we had like a tour guide that was pointing out different things to us, which was cool, but we were also trying to eat, so it was quite difficult.
But there was so much going on.
There was so much going on, yeah.
Where to look, what to do, yeah. Well, it was really good.
But we really recommend the cruise. So if you're in Bangkok and you want a good way to see Wat Arun, which is a temple, and you want to eat loads of food and see Bangkok from the river, then we definitely recommend it, because once you've eaten your food on the first leg, they will then take you to Wat Arun, and there's like a little pier, isn't there, just outside the temple?
Yeah, so you literally just like pull up, get off, and then you just straight into the temple. It's amazing. And then you just have to remember to bring something to cover up with. So for girls, you have to have your shoulders covered and your knees covered as well. But that's, you know, that's standard across temples in Thailand.
Our stay at the Avani Riverside Hotel has been amazing, and we would highly recommend staying here if you plan to visit Bangkok. We've put all of the details of the hotel in the video description for you to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, then we'd love it if you could like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And we'll see you on the next travel vlog.